Hi everybody, well this is the first video I've done on my photography channel for an awful long time, but this channel just isn't about photography, it's about technology too, and I've just got a new printer. This is the Epson ET2750, and what you're kind of watching in the video bit of the video is me sort of unpacking it and the initial setup as well. So did have a Canon MG5550, which I've had for probably about 4 years now. There is a video review on the channel somewhere. Great printer, very high quality printer as well, great for printing photographs, but it's finally come to the end of its life. The print heads have become misaligned, and it was time to buy a new one. And I've just been very conscious over the last few years of the sheer price of ink and having to spend like £30–40 on cartridges every couple of months. So I've done a bit more research this time, and I wanted to go with the ET2750 from Epson because it has this EcoTank technology. And basically what that means is in the box you get the printer and you get these massive bottles of ink, which they say out of the box will give you 14,000 pages of black, because they give you 2 black bottles, and the colour bottles they give you 5,200 pages. So immediately I thought, okay, so the printer is a lot more expensive than you know. This printer was, I think it was about 240 quid on Amazon. I got it for £240 UK money, and you know, you can pick up inkjet printers for much cheaper. You can bring them up for like 50 quid, can't you? 60 quid, good ones as well. I'm sure my MG 5550 wasn't very expensive at all, but the cost with those printers is of course in the ink. And the idea with the 2750 and the EcoTank range is that you're using these big bottles of ink which reduce the cost of ink incredibly. I think I read somewhere they reckon you can get about 2 years worth of ink if you're an average user out of what comes in the box, which was very exciting for me. I thought, yes, we can keep going now. So initial thoughts, it seems to be very well made, very easy to get set up, does wireless printing, does wireless scanning. Initial print quality, done quite a few prints already, seems great for just general purpose, you know, just printing documents out. Photos seem to look okay. There was a bit of a splurge along the edge of a A4 photo I printed out. I will be doing more videos where I go into a little bit more detail about the photo print quality. Maybe I need to get some more photo paper because my photo paper is all really old now. But you know, trying to print out smaller, you know, 6x4 sort of size photos. But first impressions are very good. Looking forward to using it a lot. And let's see. So I'll be doing more videos as we go along. What do you think? Put your questions and comments down below, and I will of course see you again soon.